At least 40% of children seen at the Bustamante Hospital for Children in St. Andrew has some form of constipation. That's according to consultant pediatric surgeon Dr. Noel McLennan. Constipation is when your child or children are finding it difficult to pass his or her stool. Dr. McLennan says the condition affects all age groups. However, it is often seen among children between ages 4 and 5 years.
What we usually aim for is for the child to pass at least one soft stool per day, every day. However, this is not the ideal in the vast majority of children. What is important is that the child has a regular pattern. So if that child's pattern is twice a week or 3 times a week, then that is that child's pattern. So once we can achieve that pattern on a particular balanced diet, that is what is important.
Dr. McLennan says poor dietary intake is the main cause.
So consuming white flour, consuming snacks that are high in starch, food that is poor in fiber, poor in water content. Those are some of the main foods that lead to constipation. So food like green banana, that will lead to constipation in some children.
Apart from discomfort, Dr. McLennan says oftentimes constipation leads to malnutrition.
This can become a problem in that the child's tummy may become significantly distended, the child may become lethargic, the child may feel listless at school, feel like he or she has no energy. And and this is all because of the poor nutritional intake, as well as the stool burden, what we call the stool burden that the child has to work with.
And again, the doctor is reminding parents and guardians to give their children more fruits, vegetables, and plenty of water. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.